There's a rumor that's being spread around by Jacinta Henekru, Ngizwe Mchunu, and Phakelo Mthakathi that there's a Somali king that is being inaugurated at Sentin, Johannesburg, which is not true. This guy is just a chairperson of the Somali Association of South Africa, so he's not really a king. But obviously, if they say that it's a king that is being inaugurated, guess what? People will get pissed, people will get angry, and then they'll get more donations. That's how it works. So Ngizwe Mchunu was at the place. He's saying that they were not allowed to go in, but he is sure that there was a Somali king that's being inaugurated. Remember, not so long ago, I think about like 6 months ago, there was a Nigerian king that was inaugurated in the Eastern Cape. That one was true, because even the Nigerian government ended up apologizing. But this guy is just a chairperson of the Somali Association of South Africa. He's not a king.
Yenzekile lento namhlanje umhla ka-17 ngesonto kodwa ihlisaba imimoya sicela siqhubeke sihloniphe umthetho waseNingizimu Afrika kodwa isikhona inkosi yamaSomalia eJohannesburg eGauteng province. Just to be sure if there was a Somali king that was inaugurated in Sentin, I simply Googled and the search gave me these results. It said no, a Somali king was not inaugurated in Sentin. Instead, it was a leadership inauguration for the newly elected chairperson of the Somali community in South Africa, Mustafa Sherwak, which was hosted at the Maslow Hotel Sentin. The event, which focused on power, influence, unity, was sometimes mistakenly referred to on social media as a royal coronation. The true coronation of traditional Somali clan kings, Boko or Sultan, typically take place in Somalia, such as a widely documented inauguration of the king Buran Muse in the ancient city of Cordoba in the Puntland state. Komalema bethu bangamane belahlekelwe yonke hlobo yevoti kulelizwe umfowethu sikhwehlela emalema uyena uprotector bonke labo bantu, and the majority of them, they are illegally in this country and they got guts to crown their own king. Somalians have just done it. This would be a very convenient story for Ngizwe Mchunu, Phakelo Mthakathi, and Jacinta Ngobese. Imagine there was a Nigerian king that was inaugurated, which that one I am saying that is true, but this time it's not really true. It's just a chairperson.